Meaning of downwardly.
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 Downwardly. The term downwardly refers to something that is moving or positioned in a direction towards the bottom or a lower position. It suggests a downward trend, decrease, or negative movement. For example, downwardly sloping lines represent a decline or decrease in values or prices. In business, downwardly trending sales figures may indicate a decline in demand or consumer confidence. Overall, the term downwardly implies a negative or unfavorable outcome or situation that is moving or heading towards a lower position or lesser value.